Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr by making YouTube thumbnails for free. You don't need any skill to start at all. Everything in this video is going to be free, and all you need is your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection to start. A lot of you must have heard of this website called Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where millions of freelancers go to offer their services online. So today, we will be showing you how to make money on this website with no skill involved at all. So as you can see right here, there are people on this website that are making tons of money already by just designing thumbnails. As you can see right here, this guy has done over 300 thumbnails, and this one also has done over 300 thumbnails. This one has done over 500 thumbnails, and guys, if you calculate all this money, it is big money. If you scroll down, there are many people on this website doing this and making a lot of money. This one has made over 200 thumbnails. This one has 100. And this one also has over 200 thumbnails. And if you scroll down, there are a lot of people on Fiverr making money with this. So right now, I'm going to show you how to design these thumbnails without any skill required at all. So first of all, go to this website called canva.com. So once you are on this website, click on sign up for free. You don't need to pay any money or use any credit card for a sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, with your Facebook account, or with your email address. So once you sign up, you should land on a page just like this. Go to the search bar and type in YouTube thumbnail and click and search. Let it load. And once you are on this page, as you can see, there are a lot of free templates for you to use and make money online, and most of these templates are free. As you can see, there are a lot of templates for you to use and start making money online, and most of these templates are free. If you scroll down, you will see all these awesome templates, and most of them are totally free to use. So all you need to do is choose one of these free templates and customize them. So let's say we choose this one. Just click and let it open. And once you are on this page, all you need to do is edit the write-up and customize it and make it yours. You can also change the picture by uploading your own picture or any picture at all. So this is very easy, guys. So once you are done, all you need to do is click on the download button and download it to your PC, and then go back to Fiverr, this website right here, and send it to your client. Once you are done, before you can work on this website, you need to sign up. So make sure you sign up on Fiverr, which is totally free, and create a gig, and you will be able to get clients online that are looking for thumbnails. So guys, if you don't know how to sign up on Fiverr, there are tons of videos on YouTube to guide you. So go to YouTube and type in how to sign up on Fiverr. And you will find tons of videos to guide you. And once you are done, you should be able to start making money on Fiverr. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new video when we post a new video. See you in the next video.